for watching this episode of The Bright Light. My name is Allison Cuevas. I'm a registered dental hygienist. I'm here today because Colgate just sent me a brand new package of their awesome new toothpaste that just launched, and I just wanted to open it up and kind of show you guys what they sent me. So I'm really excited because it's a totally new formulated toothpaste. Patients always ask me what kind of toothpaste to use, and I always recommend something that's like anti-cavity, anti-gingivitis. This has a big plus because it has sensitivity relief. It also has whitening and breath, and it has stannous fluoride. So I think this is a great toothpaste to use. They also sent me all of the ingredients, and it shows like a petri dish of saliva and water. And then it shows once you've used the Colgate Total, like all the bacteria that's gone away, which is awesome. And so I'm loving this. It's, you know, it says that the main thing is, I always talk about making sure that we reduce bacteria, getting your gums healthy, and they've done a lot of research with this toothpaste to prove that the stannous fluoride helps against cavities and that it also reduces bacteria growth. So I definitely think it's a great toothpaste to try. Thank you so much, Colgate, for sending me this. I think this is it really is a total toothpaste. I mean, it fights plaque, it fights gingivitis, it fights tartar, the bacteria. It helps with sensitivity. It even increases whitening for stains, it freshens breath, it's anti-cavity, and it's enamel strengthening, which is huge. This is great. So I'm super excited to use it, and thank you for watching this episode of The Bright Light.